To make the beak, we're going to use our yellow embroidery thread, and I'm going to make a magic ring, and then within this magic ring I'm going to be putting in 6 single crochets. So I'm going to just closing up the loop a little bit, and now we're going to place in 6 single crochets in the magic ring. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And then into this last stitch I'm going to be placing in my marker, which is my locking pin. And now I'm going to be pulling on to the tail end, this tail end, to closing up the magic ring. For round 2, we're going to be doing single crochets in each stitch. So that's going to be 6 single crochets in total. For round 3, we're going to be doing single crochet into the first stitch, and then we're going to be doing an increase into the next stitch, and I'm going to repeat this sequence all the way around. Now for the next 2 rounds, we're going to be doing single crochet into each stitch. So round 4 and round 5, it's going to be single crochet all the way around. Now to finish up, I'm going to be doing a slip stitch into the next stitch, and just do a chain 1, pull onto this loop, snip up the yarn, and create a tail end for sewing later on. There we go, the beak is ready.